What's up everyone? Here I got a 2016 Honda CRV. Customer wanted to upgrade his head unit. So what he picked out was the Pioneer 2600. This is a new unit, just came out. Has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and also they added Alexa. I already connected my iPhone here. It's plugged in to the USB. Apple CarPlay here. And we also integrated a backup camera, and also it retained the backup camera up on his little screen up there. And you can see I'll have a camera on both. Also maintain the functions of his steering wheel controls. Volume up and down works. Track forward. Everything works still. Thank you guys for watching.